Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Monarch Resident Portal app is and how it's positioned. According to official App Store listings, Monarch Resident Portal is a resident services app designed for tenants to manage rent, maintenance, and community features through a mobile interface. It is built on the RentCave platform, which means it connects directly to property management systems used by participating apartment communities. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official descriptions, the app allows users to make rent payments, including one-time payments and setting up automatic monthly payments to avoid late fees. It also includes maintenance request tools, where residents can submit issues with photos or voice notes and track progress directly in the app. According to official listings, users can renew or review lease agreements digitally without needing separate paperwork. The app includes amenity booking features, allowing residents to reserve shared spaces like lounges, meeting rooms, or pool areas. There is also a bulletin board feature that supports community interaction and announcements within the property. Some features vary depending on the specific apartment community, and this is not confirmed to be identical for every user. The app is intended only for residents in participating communities, meaning access depends on property support and account setup. This app may be useful for tenants who want a centralized way to manage rent, maintenance, and community-related tasks. For users interested in handling apartment services through a mobile portal, this could be an option. However, functionality and overall experience can vary depending on property configuration and system integration, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.